ignoring the warning signs can lead to costly repairs or even total failure. Here are 5 major signs that your transmission is in serious trouble. 1. Delayed or slipping gears. One of the first warning signs of a failing transmission is delayed gear engagement or slipping gears. If your car hesitates before shifting or suddenly changes gears on its own, the transmission might be struggling to maintain proper pressure. This can be caused by low transmission fluid, worn-out clutches, or internal damage. 2. Strange noises, grinding, whining, or clunking. Unusual sounds coming from your transmission, like whining, grinding, or loud clunks, are clear indicators of trouble. A grinding noise in a manual transmission could mean worn-out gears, while a whining or humming sound in an automatic transmission may point to a failing torque converter or fluid-related issues. 3. Burning smell coming from the transmission. A burning odor is never a good sign, especially if it's coming from your transmission. Overheated transmission fluid can lose its lubricating properties, leading to friction and internal damage. If you smell something burning while driving, check your transmission fluid level and condition immediately. 4. Transmission fluid leaks, red or dark fluid under your car. Your transmission relies on fluid pressure to operate correctly. If you notice red, brown, or black fluid leaking under your vehicle, it could indicate a worn seal, cracked pan, or faulty gasket. Driving with low or dirty transmission fluid can lead to severe damage and complete transmission failure. 5. Warning lights or check engine light. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that detect transmission problems. If your check engine light or transmission warning light appears on the dashboard, don't ignore it. A diagnostic scan can reveal error codes related to transmission overheating, solenoid failures, or internal wear. What to do if you notice these signs? If your car is showing any of these transmission failure symptoms, don't wait. Get it inspected by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. Regular transmission fluid checks and scheduled maintenance can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle. Have you ever experienced transmission problems? Share your story in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Autos Insight for more car tips and maintenance advice. See you in the next video.